how to withdraw money from one bet to bank account. So there's a step-by-step guide and make sure you will have logged in with your mobile or email also. So after we will move in the right bottom corner option is the menu which is three lines. So just tab it. After we will scroll down and simply just find in my account settings withdraw funds. So just tab. So right now these are the options that are available. So right now we will have a e-wallet option, Cashmal, Skrill, Binance Pay, Easy Pesa Direct, JS Cash Direct, and there are much more. So if you can't find the bank account option, so that's clear. There is no option for the bank account. You will just have to recommended options methods, which is right over here. So you will just have to select it from here, any of one. Example like this one, Just Cash Direct, just tap on it. So right now you just have to enter your amount, your confirmation of first name, surname, email address, and the account number, and just tap for confirmation. After, you will be directly into your e-wallet account. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching.